Good morning everyone, my name is Soham Patadia M041. Now I'm gonna show you my Power BI dashboard that I've created from this Excel sheet. I've taken this data from kaggle.com. This includes salesperson information, product, country, date, amount, boxes and order status information. When I've inserted this data into this Power BI and I've added some visualization into this, here's my chocolate sales report. On top left, we can see the sum of amount that the company has generated from its chocolate sales is 15.79 million. Sum of boxes that is shipped is 1 million in total. Now let's move on to how much money we make every month. So it's a graph that shows the monthly sales from September 23 to September 24. Initially the line goes up from October to December as they are holiday seasons. The sale increases, then it decreases drastically in February, then again increases in March, and then there is a stagnant phase of around 1.2 million. So now let's move on to the sum of amount generated by every country. For UK, if you check, we can get the sum amount of money is 4.51 million and revenue share is 28.52%. For USA, we can see that some amount of money generated is 3.45 million and some of boxes shipped that is 242k. Percentage share is around 21.99%. Same goes for India. If you check, some amount of money generated is 2.58 million and some of boxes is 183k. Percentage share is 16.35, and same goes for Canada, Australia and New Zealand. Now let's move on to our sales team. There is a list of different salesperson and how much they sold. A brand boss has sold around 1,179k. Then there are different other salesperson. When we click on, we can get the different chart that he has sold around 1.18 million dollars, and some of our boxes he has shipped is around 90,000. Here's the different information related to geographical region, in which country he has sold, how much amount of chocolate. Now let's move on to the best selling products. The long bar shows which chocolate sells the best. Drinking cocoa is the number one. People love this. Orange choco is also very popular. Then peanut butter cubes is also the best seller. These are the top three products. When we click on to the particular product information, we can get the information of every month. In every month, how much it has sold, geographical location wise, and which salesperson has sold how much amount of this product. Then move on to the orange choco, then peanut butter cubes. We can get information specifically for each product. Now let's move on to my other page that tells us the information about the boxes and shipment. In total, we have shipped around 918k boxes of chocolates worth of $12.93 million. This yellow bar shows that the UK ships the most boxes, that is the 276,000 boxes. Then the second is the USA, which has shipped around 190,000 boxes. Then India, then New Zealand, Australia and then Canada. The blue bars shows how many boxes each salesperson handles. Has handled around 463 number of boxes in average. Then if you want the information particular product wise, we just click on this product such as drinking cocoa. If I want to check if the brand person has done how much of sales, I can get the information like he has sold around 6k. Net amount of selling he has done of 60,000. Now for if I want to check for Jan, I can get the information that he has shipped in India the most, then in USA, then in UK. Some amount of boxes is 2k for drinking cocoa, specifically for drinking cocoa. Sum of amount is 21k. If I want to check for after 9s, Jan has done the most number of shipment in UK. Sum of boxes is around 858 boxes. Sum of amount is 12.86k. If I want to check for eclairs, for overall, then I can get the information for overall that 31,000 boxes has been sold. Some amount is to 625.91k. If I want to check for specifically for a salesperson that average boxes how much he has shipped, such as for van. If I check for van, I can say that he has sold around 95% of boxes in India only. That is 605 boxes he has shipped. I can get each detail, every salesperson's information in detail for eclairs. Overall, I can get the information by clicking on every salesperson. That's it from my side. Thank you so much.